Okay guys, today I'm here at Regent RV looking at the Regent Caravans. We're going to head inside, check out their factory and all of their process. All right, let's have a look. Coming inside to the Regent factory, we've got the Regent lineup here. There are 11 bays here, 11 different caravans. So every single caravan here is on these rollers or on this track system. You can see here the roller, they fit the dual axle or the single axles and they just slide up along. So the caravan's actually moving left to right. Now they've done this for ergonomics. If you have them in a line, you have to walk further to get along the line. It's a big long line. If you have them side by side, it's fitting them all in much nicer. The concept here is that each personnel has their own bay and they don't need to leave their bay. Their trolley, their tools, everything stays in that bay. The caravan themselves is what moves up. Now this isn't really the very start of the process because there's a whole nother factory dedicated to putting the axles underneath and all of the work done to the underneath. That factory is basically just filled with hoists. But having a look from the start of the bay here, you can see it's got no decals. When these vans first get here, they've got no appliances, no refrigerator, no hot water service, no hot plate, no oven, no sinks, and no drain holes in the shower. They leave all the stuff that's highly regulated, such as hot water, gas, and electrical, all to be done here in Melbourne to make sure it's done to the absolute highest standard. So we've got the storage down the middle here, and every single bay, their storage is associated with them. So they don't have to walk far, they just go from their bay, pick up the parts they're working on in the storage in the center, and then move back over to their bay. You can see here they don't come in with any awnings or hardly any of the outside fixtures. They're fitting on the awnings and they're also fitting on all of the locker doors. Now it's worth mentioning that this lineup is brand new. They've been expanding so quickly here at Regent RV that they had to create an entire new line solely for Regent. And just to give you an idea of the scale of Regent RV, they've got over 200 caravans being manufactured in China right now. They've got over 200 caravans on the water traveling to Australia right now. And they've got over 200 caravans in Australia being prepped, ready for sale. That's over 600 caravans in the total production line. It's absolutely mind-boggling to think how many that is. It equates to over $40 million in caravans. Okay guys, well that's been a long time coming. I've been waiting to get to the factory for so long. And I've got to tell you, I was completely surprised. I had no idea they did so much work here in Australia. I actually truly was surprised. I didn't actually manage to capture one of the caravans as it comes over from China because they had already started working on it. So that's why the awning, the lockers and the refrigerator and all those things were already in it. But they actually come over even more basic than I was able to show you. All right guys, I hope you liked this video. We'll see you in the next one.